Cute! Let's start to make this cute squishy. We need cotton, tape, a white paper, a scissor, a pointer, cute marker colors, a pencil, eraser. So let's start. Please leave a comment if you like my video. Thank you.
Wow.
Today is my test. I didn't prepare for the test. And I don't get anything. What should I do? Idea.
If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball.
Can't you take the test?
Big picture.
No, I have prepared.
Send the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I take shots to the top, I'll get it. I got one life, I'ma do all the winning. I do what's right, push it till I fall. I'm slipping to give back up, always stand tall and grinning. I got cuts real deep, big bruises hard. I had to learn how to think with my head, my heart. I've been chewed up, spit out, torn apart. From picking up all the pieces is a form of art.
Wow, I have completed my paper. Let's get the teacher to check it.
Well, okay, done. So let's start to make this cheating pen. Yeah! Ruler.